Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do an unboxing and hands-on of the Zap Aqua series Bluetooth speaker. So Zap has been known for a lot of accessories, and Zap Aqua series Bluetooth speakers are all-weather series speakers available in different sizes, and we have the smallest of the lot, and this is a Bluetooth speaker with IP67 water and dust resistance. So this is the Aqua series, and you can see how the speaker looks like. It also has a built-in microphone, and so this is the premium waterproof portable Bluetooth speaker, and the specifications are mentioned here. The Bluetooth version 3.0, and rated power is 3 watt power, and the power supply is from 400 mAh rechargeable battery, and it also comes with aux-in cable, 3.5mm audio drivers, then and water, shock and dust proof. That is the important aspect. You can see IP67 rated. Playback time is around 3 hours, so that's quite a decent performance from the smaller speakers. And this on the back panel you can see that it comes with water resistant, then dirt resistant, music playback on the go, super long playback time of around 3 hours, shock resistant and also snow resistant. So this is the Zap Technologies Bluetooth speaker, and this is made in US and this is imported to India. The pricing of this is around 1500 rupees, and this is available on Amazon. So inside the box you get the Aqua Bluetooth speaker, then removable suction for use in shower. So we'll show you all those things. So let's get started with unboxing. So opening up, you can see the Zap branding here. So there you go. So that's a Zap Bluetooth speaker. So let's just take this out. So that's the Bluetooth speaker, and then you also get this holder. Then apart from that, you also get the charging cable. There is the micro USB charging cable, and also it comes with a 3.5mm aux cable as well. So these are included in the box pack. Now let's have a look at the speaker. So that's a Zap Aqua series Bluetooth speaker. So you can see that it's made of good quality material. So you can see that all the keys are sealed inside, so that water or dust won't go inside. So this is the option to go to the next track or previous track. We have the plus and minus for volumes, and then here we have the opening. So you can also see that this opening is pretty much sealed. So we have the micro USB charging slot as well as the 3.5mm audio jack. So whenever we have you're done with charging or using, you need to just seal this so that water won't go inside. So that's the sealed mechanism. And then you have this power button, and also the option to use the phone. So this also has an inbuilt microphone, so it can be used to make calls as well. So that's something really good. And this is the suction for in use if you want to use in shower. So we'll talk about that later. So we'll just remove this. You can also remove the suction thing from here in case you don't want to use it. So that's removable. So now let's just power this speaker and connect to our smartphone and see the quality of the sound. So now we are connected this speaker to our smartphone, and we'll just play some music from our smartphone to show you how the quality and the sound output is. So we have just kept this to the maximum volume. So you can see that we have set this to maximum volume, and let's just play some track. So that was the sound output from the Zap Aqua series portable Bluetooth speaker, and we could see that the quality looks pretty good, and for a small Bluetooth, and it's pretty compact as well. It is highly portable and you can use it anywhere. So taking that into consideration, the sound quality is quite good, and the loudness of the sound is also pretty good. So you can also make calls with the speaker, and in case you are using this in under shower, so if you want to use this Bluetooth speaker while under shower, you can just use the suction mount and use it. It's quite useful, and even when you are using it with water, it does not have any sort of issue. So this is how we tested it, and you can see that even with heavy water usage, the sound did not change, and so there is no issues using the device with water. So that's the Aqua series Bluetooth speaker with IP67 water and dust resistant, and this looks quite good in terms of the build quality as well. You can remove this suction cup and use it in case you don't want that. So overall the quality looks impressive for this price segment. So this is priced 1500 on Amazon. The exact price is 1499. That's quite good pricing for a portable Bluetooth speaker with a good sound quality. The backup time is around 3 hours, so maximum you might get around 2 to 2.5 hours. So that is quite good for the portable speaker, and looks pretty good as well in terms of the build quality. So that is the unboxing and sound performance test of the Aqua series Bluetooth speaker from Zap Technologies. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you plan to buy this speaker, we'll share the link in the description of this video. You can use our link and buy the device. So this is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.